Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to an evening cleaning routine. Today I'm just going to take you through all of the cleaning tasks that I try to get done each night. Of course, some days are different to others, and now that we're all at home, it definitely is a lot messier. But as much as I try to clean as I go, I do also want to enjoy my time with the kids, so I save quite a few cleaning tasks for the evenings and the weekends. So I'm just going to show you everything that I do in terms of cleaning, laundry and dishes, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope it gives you some inspiration. And if you're new to my channel, I would love you to subscribe for more cleaning content. But first off, tonight I am going to empty the bin. It's about 5 p.m. and this is overflowing. So I'm just going to take this outside, and we also keep all of our recycling outside. It's not the most practical situation. Whenever we have some recycling, we have to literally run it to the front porch. But in our new kitchen, we will definitely be putting in 2 big integrated bins, and we might also have a door to the outside so that it will make taking rubbish out a lot easier. So I'm very much looking forward to that. But I do get a lot of questions about this bin. We bought it when we moved in. It was just from Amazon, and it's got like a rose gold top on it, and it's one of those motion detector bins. So if the kids or I wave our hand over the lid, it will just open, so it's quite nice that you don't actually have to touch it all the time. Now I'm just going to tidy up the table. All the kids were drawing after dinner. They really like to print off those pictures from Draw So Cute and color them in. So I'm just going to tidy this area up and give it a good wipe down, because there's like some drinks and a bit of food on the table and a random feather duster as well. And I talk about it all the time, but I do also get a lot of questions about the glass that we have on top of our dining table. It's one of the best things we've ever done to allow the kids to be able to color and to use the table all the time. We did just have a wooden table, but we had this piece of glass made just from a local company to us. And as you can see, all the kids' pens are on that glass, but it doesn't matter because it will just wipe off with a little bit of surface cleaner. So it's been a great way for us to protect our table. And I also feel like it makes it look a little bit more luxury, or just like kind of like finished off, and I just really like it. So anyway, now that that's all clean, I'm going to go into the kitchen and tidy up after dinner. Today I also made muffins, hence all of the bowls that are drying over there, and we had fajitas in the air fryer, so there's like some pepper left on the side, and it's just generally in need of a good clean and tidy. So I'm going to fill up the dishwasher, wash a few things by hand, put some things away. So yeah, let's do this.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
now I've come into the office to just tidy up my son's online learning space. He sits here at the desk, obviously eating, snacking, drinking, learning and writing. So I think it's just nice to just wipe down the surfaces. I've also done a really quick hoover because I saw some crumbs and stuff. So yeah, now that is a lot tidier. And then this is where my other son has been doing his online learning. My eldest was on the dining table, but it wasn't working out because then our youngest was so excited to see him. He tried to distract him. So we've actually ended up getting our camping table out of the garage and setting it up in our front room. We have ordered a new desk for him to have in his bedroom, but I think everyone in England had the same idea, and the desk is going to take 8 to 9 weeks to come, at which point he'll probably be back at school learning, but we really like the desk anyway, and he really doesn't mind that he's on the camping table. So now I'm just putting away a few other bits. The kids had s'mores for dessert and that was left out, and now I'm just going to turn on the dishwasher and then put away a few of the bigger items, put the air fryer back as well, and then I'm going to give all of the surfaces a good wipe down. I'm also going to clean our stove. In this house we have a gas stove and I actually really like cooking on it. It's so quick to heat up, but I find it definitely gets dirtier whenever we use spray oil in a pan. You can probably see it sort of spraying everywhere and there's bits of food. So I don't clean this every single night, but today I noticed that it was particularly dirty. So with the top part of our stove, I'm just giving it a quick wipe down. It's not too dirty, and whenever they do get very dirty, I will actually run them through the dishwasher, but just giving them a wipe down, and then I'm going to clean the actual stovetop with a little bit of the pink stuff. I'm so late to the game with this. I know so many people love using the pink stuff, but I just saw it in Poundland the other day and I thought I'll just pick some up. It's kind of like, I nearly said exfoliant. It's not exfoliant. It's like an abrasive cleaner. So I'm just using a tiny bit. It looks like I've put loads on there, but it's actually such a small amount. And it gives it a really good scrub. And I like using it on my stove and on my sinks as well. I feel like it really makes them shine. So I'm just going to give it all a good scrub, get all of the food off, and then clean it with some water as well. And then I'm going to wipe down the splashback. It's not too bad, but again, there's some splashes. And then I'm also going to clean our sink with the pink stuff because it is really quite dirty.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's do, babe. Don't need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk,
That is so much better. I normally do a quick whiz around with my cordless vacuum anyway, especially under our dining table. But tonight it was especially dirty. There were crumbs on the couch, on the floor. There was bits of dirt from our garden on the floor. So it really did need a good vacuum tonight. So I did all the living area under the table, and now I've moved into the kitchen. This area again always needs a bit of a vacuum because there's crumbs in the corners. And I'm also going to mop the kitchen and near the front door because we've had wet weather. It's quite messy, and I'm always going on about my spray mop. It's an Addis one that I got on Amazon, and it has this canister, and my mop just fell over. But I just fill this up with cleaning solution. I actually fill it with water and just do a capful of like the flash floor cleaner, and then you just put the canister back on, and it has removable heads on it that you can wash, and then as you're mopping you can spray the floor very easily. And while I was doing this, I also noticed that my little Dishmatic needed to be refilled, so I'm just filling it up with some more washing up liquid. And I'm also going to change the head because look at that, it's terrible. And I just got some new ones just from Poundland, and they had pink ones this time, so I've got that and it's looking so much better. So yeah, I'm just going to run around and mop, and then I'm also, as I said, going to do near the front door as well because we've had a tiny bit of snow, but it's always raining at the moment as well. So when we come in with our shoes on, it just needs a good wipe down with the mop. So I'm just going to do that now.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep, in your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
So earlier you would have seen my family helping me clean the living room a bit, but now my husband has taken all of our kids upstairs to have baths and showers. So while he's up there with them, I'm going to quickly give the downstairs toilet a quick once over because we're all at home and traffic in here is quite high. And I've got 3 boys, so I just want to give it a really quick wipe down. So I've got my blue cloth. I was amazed at how many of you guys, when Matt was doing the last cleaning video, you guys were like he doesn't know about the blue is for loo. So yeah, I've told him about that now. But I'm just using my blue cloth for the loo, just wiping it down and just putting a tiny bit of cleaner in it. And then I'm also going to wipe down this little seat that my 4-year-old uses, and then also the footstool as well. I noticed they just get quite dusty sometimes, so it just needs a little wipe down. I also wiped down the sink, and I didn't use the footage of it because I also wiped down the floor, and I was backing out of it. It just was not a flattering look. Then I also randomly showed you that we've lined up all the kids' clothes for the next day. I think I forgot that I was doing an evening clean and not an evening routine, but there you go. And then while he's also up with them, giving them a bath and everything, I'm also just going to take out the stuff that's in the tumble dryer and fold it, because I find that I'm really good at getting the laundry done, but the thing that I fall down on is actually folding it and then putting it away. So while I have a sec, I'm quickly just going to fold it. And I've had a few questions recently about why I'm doing laundry in the kitchen. I think if you're new to this channel, you're like, well, that just does not look like a nice setup. But we've actually just moved house. We will hopefully have a utility area very soon. We are going to put it upstairs in our home as well, which I can't wait for. So this is like a temporary thing, but I mean, it's fine. We're getting the clothes cleaned. So I'm just folding them, and I was actually walking back and forth because I hadn't reached my step count for the day yet. I think I was on 8,000 and I tried to do 10,000 a day. So all of the extra steps that I could do, I was doing. But yeah, I'm just going to fold them all up and then take them upstairs and get them actually put away. But that's all I'm going to do for today. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you very soon. Bye guys.